Hi everyone, and welcome to the UWindsor Prep Program presentation. We are happy to have you join us. My name is Sue, and I'm with Continuing Education at the University of Windsor. I'll be speaking with you about the great prep program that is designed to help you prepare to succeed in your first year classes and to ease the transition ahead of you this fall. The UWindsor Prep Program has 5 different courses designed specifically for you: Calculus, Physics, Advanced Functions and Problem Solving, Biology, and Chemistry. Each class provides a short refresher on your grade 12 curriculum so that you are prepared for September, with all your skills and knowledge top of mind when classes begin this fall. Think of this as your test run before the real race begins, or better yet, your training for the marathon. You already know how to run, but it's best to practice just a few more times before going the distance. All this to say, these classes are not meant to teach you new concepts. You've already done that. UWindsor Prep courses are to help you remember, improve on certain areas, hone in on a topic, or just refresh your learning from high school. So, what's it all about? Here are some quick facts to introduce you to the UWindsor Prep program. As I've already mentioned, they're designed specifically for incoming first-year students, be it domestic, international, mature, or transfer. Classes are open to all, including current UWindsor students who are changing programs and want to review or refresh topic material before starting academic classes. Each program is developed by OCT Ontario High School educators in consultation with our first-year faculty in the respective areas of study. Each module offers 30 hours of content and is entirely online in synchronous and asynchronous formats. While some classes do have recommended prerequisites, please note that none are mandatory. So it's okay if you didn't do well in one of the recommended prerequisites. That's what this program is for. Also, the prerequisites, as I said, are not mandatory. So if you didn't take a specific class in high school, but you feel you could have a solid understanding of the material, that's fine too. We suggest you connect with us to receive a course outline beforehand so that you're prepared for what's ahead and evaluate if you're ready to take this. Each class is taught by a qualified professional instructor who are high school teachers themselves. They know their stuff and are looking forward to welcoming you to their classes, which they've designed to be fun, engaging, and meaningful for you as you begin your university journey with us. In terms of scheduling, we've set it up so that you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, or all classes so that there are no conflicts. It's up to you. With that said, there is a lot of work to be done, so make sure you are able to manage the workload, as some classes will have a commitment outside of the stated class times. So that's a lot of information about the how. Let's talk a bit about the why. Why should you consider UWindsor Prep program? Beginning university studies can be a stressful time. There's so many new things to learn and adjust to that it can be overwhelming. Not to even mention actual classes. Why not use your time this summer to help ease yourself into the transition and build your confidence, familiarity, and get back into the groove before beginning your program? You'll learn the ins and outs of Blackboard LMS, which will be a huge benefit in navigating online learning this fall. These classes are not meant to replace your grade 12 courses, but to enhance and improve the learning you've already done in high school. Because these are non-credit classes, they won't count towards upgrading, but will help you do well in your university classes and get great grades. Also, the small class sizes will allow for individual attention and will let you flow at your own pace in a flexible, supportive learning environment. It is really a taste of what's to come. And best of all, it's affordable. Included in your fees are all learning materials provided by your instructors. These are yours to keep and will certainly come in handy in the fall. As I said, you'll receive access to Blackboard Learning Management System, UWindsor's online learning platform. Becoming familiar with Blackboard before the fall will certainly give you a leg up and help you hit the ground running before beginning your program online in September. Continuing Education is pleased to offer discounts on fees for children or dependents of our UWindsor alumni and staff. Also, if you are enrolled to begin classes this fall, you're in and eligible for a student discount as well. Email us at continue@uwindsor.ca for the discount codes to apply at checkout on our online registration system. Okay, let's get down to what the classes themselves are all about. The Advanced Functions and Problem Solving is a 30-hour class spread over 2 weeks. It's a combination of live instruction for about an hour a day with approximately 3 hours of independent study per day, consisting of pre-recorded lessons, assigned work, assessments, and other activities. You should consider taking this course if you will be taking functions and differential calculus or simply differential calculus. It's a great class for students who are starting in engineering, science, or even wanting to brush up on their math skills. Any student who is required to take Math 1760 or Math 1720 as part of your degree will definitely benefit from this course. A review of exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, polynomial, and rational functions, as well as characteristics of functions, will highlight the learning of this course. Additionally, this class will delve into how to solve problems by modeling and reasoning with functions, including problems with solutions that are not accessible by standard algebraic techniques. UWin Prep Physics is a 30-hour class taken over the course of 2 weeks. This class will consist of 1 hour of live instruction a day with approximately 3 to 4 hours of independent study, again consisting of pre-recorded lessons, assigned work, assessments, and other activities to keep you engaged. This refresher is ideal for students who are registered in Physics 1300 Introductory Physics for Life Sciences 1 or Physics 1400 Introductory Physics 1. It's also great for students who are starting in the Faculty of Science, majoring in physics, biology, forensics, or chemistry. This course will jump into analyzing data, dynamics, energy and momentum, gravitational, electric and magnetic fields, the wave nature of light and quantum mechanics, and special relativity. UWin Prep Biology is a 30-hour class for 2 weeks. In this class, live instruction will consist of online lectures, virtual labs and investigations, complemented by assignments and case studies, as well as formative and summative evaluations. This course is ideal for students who will be taking cell biology or biological diversity. Students in nursing, Faculty of Human Kinetics, Faculty of Science, and majoring in biology, forensics, economics, environmental science, and chemistry will all benefit from this course as well. The 5 topics that this course delves into are biochemistry, metabolic processes, molecular genetics, homeostasis, and popular dynamics. The UWin Prep Chemistry course is also 30 hours long and will take place over a 2-week period. Again, online live instruction is supported by short assignments, quizzes, and various learning activities. General Chemistry and Topics for General Chemistry are classes this course is designed to prepare you for. Incoming students in the Faculty of Science who will be majoring in chemistry, biochemistry, biology, forensics, environmental science, and physics should also consider taking this class, as well as civil engineering. Introductory concepts required for first and second semester classes will be covered in UWin Prep Chemistry. These topics include nomenclature, types of reactions and balancing chemical equations, properties of elements, and the periodic table, as well as a variety of other topics including electrochemistry and organic chemistry. And finally, UWin Prep Calculus is again 30 hours long and will take place over a 2-week period with online live instruction supported by short assignments, quizzes, and various learning activities. Students who are registered in differential calculus, functions in differential calculus, access to differential calculus, and introductory physics 1 will all benefit from this course. UWin Prep Calculus is also ideal for students who are starting in the Faculty of Engineering or Faculty of Science and majoring in biomedical sciences and integrative biology, biochemistry, chemistry, computer science, economics, environmental science, or physics. This online course extends students' experience with calculus. Students will review limits, derivative rules, and their applications to polynomial, rational, exponential, logarithmic, and trigonometric functions, deepening students' understanding of foundational skills necessary for further studies in calculus. And as a bonus, we're also offering Microsoft Excel for University. Who doesn't need to know more about Excel? As a database, an accounting tool, or even simply a calendar, learn how to use Excel beyond the everyday. We have parents, staff members, and incoming students already signed up for this one. It's open to all. As mentioned, participants can expect to complete a combination of short assignments, quizzes, and activities for UWin Prep courses. Daily online participation is also required for successful completion. Upon completion, students will be awarded a grade of complete or incomplete. Learners who successfully complete this course will receive a certificate of completion from the UWindsor Continuing Education. Conditional offers of admission may be provided to Ontario and Canadian secondary school applicants via the UWin Prep Program if they have successfully completed the prerequisite courses in high school, completed the Ontario Secondary School Diploma or Canadian equivalent, and successfully completed required UWin Prep courses that will be communicated in their letter of admission. Transfer students who are overall admissible to the University of Windsor but are deficient a prerequisite course for their program or degree completion program of choice may be eligible for direct admission to their chosen program through a conditional offer via completion of UWin Prep courses as decided by the program faculty. To inquire if you may be eligible for conditional admission, contact registrars through their live chat or a service request at ask.uwindsor.ca. Please note that conditional admission decisions to the university through UWindsor Prep is done on a case-by-case basis. And that concludes our presentation. I hope that you have a better understanding of how UWin Prep courses can help propel you through your journey into university. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at continue@uwindsor.ca and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Best of luck and welcome to the University of Windsor.